Welcome to Performance Marketing. My name is Paul Billings and I'm the Chief Marketing Officer, and today I'm going to share with you how we help companies just like yours elevate their audience engagement at both virtual and live events. Performance Marketing is a global, experiential event marketing agency specializing in brand storytelling. We are highly skilled at delivering engaging product demonstrations, technical presentations, and audience engagement. Our expert storytellers are professional, have technical aptitude, and have corporate backgrounds and advanced training skills. They are extremely personable, approachable, and they are passionate about their work. At Performance Marketing, we are not a talent or model agency, and we never use ear prompters. We take great pride in learning, understanding, and naturally communicating your products and services. Performance Marketing specializes in 3 event services for both virtual and live events: staffing, training, and consulting. Today, we're going to dive deep into our virtual and live staffing options. To learn more about our training and consulting, check our website out, p4cmarketing.com. We know in today's world, grabbing and keeping the attention of our audience is challenging. That's why we offer 3 powerful storytelling roles at Performance to create better audience engagement at any event: presenters, demonstrators, and experience engagers. Our team of presenters excel in delivering live presentations for any size audience. We deliver presentations with strong and effective communication skills that draws the audience in and retains their interest, so they are more motivated to learn more about your brand, products, and services. Our product demonstrators have strong industry backgrounds. They are competent with delivering technical content. They are skilled with demonstrating not only the strength and features of your products and services, but more importantly, communicating the value and how these features benefit your customers or prospects. We focus on demonstrations that lead to a call to action. Our experience engagers deliver results by approaching and welcoming all visitors to your program or event. They are truly interested in learning about the visitor, understanding what has brought them in, uncovering their interests, and getting them connected to the appropriate area by connecting them with a live team member. They are also skilled in qualifying visitors to ensure high volume and high quality leads. The success of our clients' events starts in the planning phase. We at Performance Marketing believe it's mission critical to understand your program and to work with you as a strategic partner. We learn about your successes, challenges, outcomes, and your wish list. Before any successful event can take place, we need to know you, your team, and your programs. Performance Marketing's strength comes from hundreds of hours working with the customers, whether it's on the trade show floor, customer meetings, or a virtual conference. We believe our biggest asset is providing you with a view from the floor or a view from the customer, offering you recommendations to change, enhance, and elevate your program to gain better customer retention. Performance wants to help you achieve and exceed your program goals, objectives, ROI, metrics, and net promoter scores. We believe the best programs are those where there's teamwork, collaboration, and real-time tweaking for the best possible outcome and better results. We look forward to connecting with you and learning about your brand and your programs. Please visit us at p4cmarketing.com to learn more about performance marketing and schedule your free event consultation today.